Hello again. So welcome on this day 4 already, and today we'll be talking about still AI agents, and with LangChain. So I continue my working with LangChain. I build a tool that can allow with a prompt and instruction for the agent to give a JSON that will be used inside of the application. So it's not the best, but it's a start, and I will see how is it possible to combine it in the application to make it something very user friendly, where the user understand it's AI, but it doesn't have to give AI content. So that's the idea. Here we can see, for example, if we come to our project, so we have the chat with Olama, which is open source compared to Mistral. And I use in local in my computer Olama 3.2 latest. Currently I have a MacBook 2 M2 Pro, so it's very good for those kind of resolving. So I use with I think 14 billion of parameters, so which is kind of good. I think in a server I can use with more. What else to say on that? Here I send like a list of filters. So here in my terminal, I send a list of filters. So for example, museum, local market, and a localization. For now, that's just what I will do. Those parameters will be sent from the application or the website, and as long with the localization. Here we'll be using them. So there's a little converter, and we have the prompt. It's the base of our project. So this prompt takes the localization, take the preference of the user, and you will feed it to the Olama model, and we'll have a prompt. So like for example, if I'm giving, we can see like for here, I don't know if there is good up, perfect. Okay, I was using for now DeepSeek, but DeepSeek is thinking and I cannot turn it off. I need to see if it's good enough with Olama 3.2. So here we are. Okay, I will try. Instead of Paris, I'll do Puebla, which is where I live. And it's a bit long, to be honest. There is some thinking about the model. We can see here using 1000 token, here is using like 700,000 token. So perfect, we can see what we wanted. Here we have our list with all the object with the name, description, and the notation. So notation is just how good is it compared to our preference, and he'll be influencing inside of the application to give the best things for the user, what he wants to see the most, but also based on tourist things to do. So here we can see there is everything you need to see: Puebla Cathedral, Rosary Chapel, and I said I like museum, I like local market. So I think he put like museum. We can see Templo. So public square, I think he understands it maybe as a market. Templo de Comunión, referring colonial architecture, change rooftop bar. But yeah, that's the idea. So that's those things that are not specific, which I can find them again in Google Maps easily compared to restaurants and bars, where it's completely hallucinating and it's horrible to use ChatGPT on it or any large language model. So for next phase, I will start building the application, well, just the website for now, which will trigger this, and we'll see more in detail how it goes. And I want to have some feedback with image, so I will have to do this too. I think I don't know if I will do it directly in Next.js or in the backend. That's something I need to figure out. But yeah, I need really good images to put for each of these location. And yeah, for now that's it. I will see you again later. I'm not forgetting the long chain video that I promised. I just need to get better with it. There is some AI agents I saw so that you can make tools easily that represent function. So I want to make this, but I still need a bit of time. So thank you for following so far, and see you very soon. Hello guys, welcome back on this last part of the day. So I was doing some refreshing on technology like Next.js, Tailwind, CSS, and TypeScript. So it has been some times that I didn't touch them. So a lot of documentation for some hours, just refreshing, re-understanding the concept, especially on Next.js about the client and the servers, and yeah, Tailwind, like the basic things. And I implemented this on afterward. So just to get the parameters that I will send to the language model, and to be able to select them. And that's it for now. You can watch the code here. It's nothing very intense for now. You have all the filter here, museum, market, castle, and everything. And you have a class that use this data, convert it as a filter here, and we can display them here. So for now, that's the only thing there is. I work a bit on the search place just to in my mind know how to do it. So I think I will do like a context with React, and I will still need to be able to look at the documentation to still process back those languages. Also React, that there is some hooks that I forgot. So I need to get back to those. And for the next parts, so tomorrow, day 5, I want to be able to deploy the Lambda to use it, or I don't know if the cost or just the time. Maybe it's better to just launch a quick Python server to use the model directly, and to be able to use it inside of the website. Continue the implementation of the search inside of the website. So that's continuing this. Also design. Design, it's something I will continue off during my night and the morning also. I want to be able to have a design that is more clean, more based on the interaction with the other users, because I think that's where it will be my value. So yeah, for now this is very horrible, but he will come something nice. I have some ideas. I need to realize them in Figma directly, and I will keep you updated tomorrow on what have been done, if I had time to advance or not. So thank you for listening, and see you tomorrow.